Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a Pretty Little Thing haul. All sizes and links will be listed down below in the description box. But before we get into the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Not only would it help me to reach my goal in raising my channel, but you'll also be notified every time I post videos like this, as well as my lifestyle videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, so the first piece we'll start off with is this top I am currently wearing. It is a knitted tank top. I don't really have much to say about it. It's knitted, as you see, and it's cropped. I was really actually expecting it to be a little bit bigger, looser fitting on me. I did size up. Instead of a medium, I did get a large, but it's still not giving me that much of a bigger feel. It's pretty much fitted. And I am also wearing these mom jeans. I got a size 8 in this. I am normally a size 8, but I will say that these are pretty baggy. I don't really mind it. I actually like the baggy fit at the moment, so it doesn't bother me too much. And if it does, I can always just take it to the tailor and get it pulled in, so it's not really that serious. It fits pretty good. The jean material is pretty comfortable. It's pretty thick jean material. It's good quality. It's not bad. I will recommend these. Next piece we'll get into will be these two ruched tank tops, sleeveless tops, whatever you want to call these. I call them sleeveless tops. So I got them in both brown and this neon green yellow. It's pretty cute. I like the top. I really like the ruching on the top. That's the main reason why I got them. But I will say that when you put them on, the ruching completely goes away. It is a bodysuit, so as you see, like if I pull on it, there's not really much ruching on it. So what I did is that I just didn't buckle them, the bodysuit clips. I didn't buckle it. I just tucked it in my pants and I just pulled it up a little bit, and that kind of help the ruching come back or stay. The next piece we'll get into will be this cropped graphic t-shirt. I'm trying to get into more graphic t-shirts. I should say graphic and cropped t-shirts, because I don't really like to wear too much crop tops. I saw this, the colors are pretty cute. It's a tan color, and it has the little orange writings, and it says Indiana, Great Lakes, Midwest, the great outdoors. It's cut pretty deep right here, so when you raise your arm you will see your bra or your bralette, whatever you wear under it. It is very cropped. I don't really like the elastic showing too much, so what I will probably do is just tuck it in and it'll probably give it a little bit more of a cropped effect, but I am quite fine with that. Okay, the next piece we will get into is this top. As you see, there is like thread at the moment just hanging. There's a lot of loose threads on this top. It's supposed to be a linen, like a baby doll top, I guess. It's pretty cute. I like it. For those days where you don't really feel like putting too much effort into your clothes, this will come in really handy. Some jeans, slide this on, go about your way, and out the door. Now the next piece we'll get into will be this off-the-shoulder top. It's an off-the-shoulder bodysuit. It is cute. I do like the concept of it. I just wish that the brass on it, instead of it being silver, I wish it was black. I feel like it would have made the shirt pop a little bit more. And also I would say the arms that should be on your shoulder, it does not stay up. Like they pretty much fell down here, and I don't know, and I don't think that's how the shirt was supposed to be. But besides that, I do like it. I'm pretty sure I could figure out somewhere or somehow to make it fit the way that I like. But I do like the concept of the shirt, so maybe if you size down, maybe you'll get a better look with it. I did get size 8. Maybe I should have gotten a size 6, and maybe I would have gotten the fit that I was going for. But once again, I can always figure out a way to make it fit like I would like it to. So the next piece we'll get into is this midi dress. As we see, it's leopard print. I do not like too much prints, but you know, once in a while you have to step out your comfort zone. I really do like this dress. I could have also sized down on this. I could have gotten a size 6, but the 8 fits just fine. I do like it. It's pretty cute. You know, you can wear it as a date night, you can wear it running errands, it's pretty much an all-around dress. You can't go wrong with it. So yes, I do like it. The material is pretty good. It's pretty thick. It's pretty stretchy. So like I said, I could have sized down and still fit it perfectly, but I did get a size 8. Okay, so the next piece that I have here is actually the last piece, and it is this jean dress. Now, jean skirt, I'm sorry. So yeah, about this skirt, I don't like skirts, jean skirts. I feel like it's kind of like auntie grandma looking, but I went ahead and picked these up because it was high-waisted, and I like that it had buttons going down, and it seems to be like pulled in the waist area, but I do not like how it fits me. It fits okay in the waist area for me. It's just a little bit of space on the top buttons, but the hip area, it's pretty wide on the hip area, so I have a lot of space. That's something I can always get fixed. I can always take it to the tailors and get it pulled in. And also the button thing, I may also be bloated at the moment, so that might also be the reason why it fits that way. But I don't know, I'm still contemplating on this skirt and if I will be keeping it or returning it. But we all know Pretty Little Thing's return policy. It's a pain in the behind, so I will probably just end up keeping it and getting it tailored. Also picked up some shoes, sandals I should say. I will say that when you order from Pretty Little Thing, they do ship the shoes in the box, but they send it in the pink little bags that they normally send their packages in, and the box pretty much came pretty beat up. So if you're someone who keep your boxes, I don't know if you'll really like how they ship their items in boxes, but for the most part I don't keep boxes, so I don't really mind it. I will be throwing this out anyways. So I ended up getting these slides. Let me just show you. So as you see, they stuffed it, so even if the box is beat up, the shoe won't really get too much beating to it because it is pretty much padded. But these slides, they're pretty cute. Simple slides, nude color. I love the square toes. That was it for me. The square toes of the shoe is what got me. I really do like them. They're pretty simple. Like I said, I like the color. It goes with anything. A nice neutral color always does it. Sandals I got were these. These are cute. They're different. Anything different, I always like getting my hands on it. It has a really cute rope effect to it. It is a little bit harder to get on your feet since it's pretty much rope. You slide it on, there's no buckles, but for the most part they're cute. I like the idea of it. But if you're someone who has more of chunky feet, I don't think this will do quite well on your feet because they are pretty tight and the rope is stiff, so it may end up squeezing your feet. So I would not recommend this if you're someone who has, I should say, wider feet. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will get notified every time I post videos like this. Bye guys.